अधिकरणवाची इत्युक्ते अधिकरणं वक्ति इति. It speaks of adhikaranam. Adhikaranam means adharaha. Here we have to take it as place. Adhikaranavachi ityukte, how you relate it to the kriya. A kriya takes place, an action takes place. Tasya adhikaranam kim? The exact place where that action takes place is the adhikaranam of that kriya. Adhikaranam means adharaha. Kriyayaha adharaha. Yasmin stale, yasmin sthane kriya anusthita vartate tad adhikaranam bhavati. To adhikaranavachina taprachayantena shabdena sasti na sastyantam padam na samasyate. There is a particular sutra where this taprachayaha is used in respect of adhikaranam. As I told already, ta iti prachayaha krit prachayaha. In the next chapter we are going to get all these krit prachayas. This taprachayaha, generally it is imposed, it is prescribed in past tense, karmardhe, karmani, bhute karmani taprachayaha. And in the last sutra we have told certain cases with certain dhatus it can be used in Vartamana Kala also. Here adhikaranam also, in adhikaranardhe also taprachayaha can be used. So adhikaranavachina taprachayantena sastyantam padam na samasyate iti nishedha sutram. The अधिकरणार्धे तप्रत्यय योजनम एवं सूत्रेण भवति. तः अधिकरणे च तप्रत्ययः अधिकरणे उपयुज्यते द्रव्य गति प्रत्यवसानार्धेभ्यः धातुभ्यः. That means द्रव्य धातुभ्यः. ध्रुवस्य भावः द्रव्यम. That means Dhruva means sthiratvam. A kriya which indicates sthiratvam. For example, asanam, sitting in a particular place, standing in a particular place. So these are all dhravyardhaka dhatavaha. Gatyardhaka dhatavaha. Gati means gamanam, to go, to reach. Pratyavasana. Pratyavasana is a word commonly used in grammar to mean bhojanam. So this dhravyardha dhatubhyaha, gatyardhaka dhatubhyaha, pratyavasanardhebhyaha dhatubhyasya ktaha iti adhikarane api bhavitum arhati. Taprachayaha adhikaranardhe api bhavitum arhati. Adhikaranam nama already told. Adhikaranam is the place in which the action has taken place. So the place in which the sitting has taken place, that is adhikarana vachi. The place, the way in which the gamanam has taken place, movement has taken place, that is the adhikarana vachi. And pratyavasanam, the place, the exact place where the food is eaten, it is adhikarana vachi. So adhikarana vachina taprachayantena sakshyantam na samasyate. We will take some examples. Prathamam dravyartha dhatubhyaha udaharanam uchyate. Asa upaveshane iti dhatuhu. To sit. Dravyarthaka. What is the exact place where he sits, adhikarana vachi. Asa dhatoho अधिकरणवाची अर्धे तप्रत्ययः किं भवति? आस प्लस त इडागमः भवति. इडागमस्य सूत्रम् अनन्तरम् उच्यते आर्धधातुकस्य इड् वलादेः इति. सर्टेन् धातुभ्यः बिफोर दैट इडागमः इ इति आगमः. तो हियर आस प्लस त इत आसित. Asitam means the place where a person has sat. Asitam. So with this asitam, sashyantam padam na samasyate. Udaharanardham, etad esham asitam. This is the place where those persons have sat. So, esham iti sashyanta padam. Esham means of their, of them, of those persons. Esham iti sasyantena padena asitam iti adhikaranavachina taprachya shabdaha adhikaranavachi taprachayanta shabdaha na samasyate. So we have to take it as a sentence only, we cannot combine etad and asitam. This is a dravyartha dhatu. Gamanartha dhatu. One dhatu we will take. Ya iti dhatu. Akaranta dhatu. Ya prapane. Prapanam nama gatihi. Gamanam. Reaching. Ya plus ta. Here idagama will not come. Yata. Yatam means the way in which the motion has taken place. Yasmin marge gamanam kritam saha margaha yatam iti uchyate. Tari idam esham yatam. This is the way in which the movement has taken place. The gamanam has taken place. Yatam means the marga in which the gamanam has taken place. Esham iti sashyantam padam. Esham asitam samasaha na bhavati. Pratyavasanartha dhatuhu. Bhuja. Bhuji dhatuhu. Bhuja palana abhyavaharayoho. Pratyavasanam abhyavaharaha. It's the same meaning. खादनार्थे आत्मनेपदं भवति भुङ्क्ते इति रूपम्. भुजि धातोः तप्रत्ययः अधिकरणवाचिना. That means भुक्तं. भुज् प्लस् ता. भुज् प्लस् ता तत्र जकारस्य कुत्वं भवति. भुक्. भुक्तं. तर्हि भुक्तं here it means bhuktam means generally it may mean eaten. Karmani. But here, adhikaranavachi. That is the place where the eating has taken place. Idam esham bhuktam. This is the place where the eating has taken place. Where their eating has taken place. So, esham bhuktam iti samaso na bhavati. Next sutra. Karmanicha. Sashti na iti anuvartyete. Karma grahanam, either karma word is taken here as a visheshanam for sashti. That means karmani ya sashti. Samanyataya, in the next bada we are going to get vibhakti prakaranam. Sashti vibhakti generally sambandha samanye bhavati. To establish a relationship, just like Dasharathasya putraha Ramaha. Dasharathasya sya sashti vibhakti pratyaya. It relates the relationship between Dasharatha and Rama. Dasharathasya putraha Ramaha. Ramasya bharya Sita. Rama and Sita, their relationship, it establishes. But Seshe Sashti, it is Sutrena, in other meanings also, Karmardhe api Sashti bhavitum arhati. Karanardhe api Sashti bhavitum arhati. Where Sambandha, not only Sambandha Samanya, but in other circumstances also, in certain cases, Karmardhe, Karanardhe cha Sashti bhavati. Here, Karmani cha, that means Karmani ya Sashti, tad na samasyate. Then here this Karmani Sashti na samasyate iti. How this Karmani Sashti? There is a particular sutra where Sashti Vibhakti is laid down for karma as also karta. The sutra is Kartru Karmanohu Kruti. Kartru Karmanohu Kruti. Kartru Karmanohu iti Dvivachanam Saptami. Kartaricha Karmanicha ityartha. Kartaricha Karmanicha Krutpratyayante Shabde Pare. When Kritpratyaya is added for karta or karma, karta and karma, they get Sashti Vibhakti. Sadharanataya, when dhatu tells kartra, when dhatu is in kartrartha, for example, patati, the karta will be Ramaha. It will be in prathama. Karmani api Sashti bhavati. Kada krutpratyaya ante. Krutpratyaye shabde pare. Here kartru karmanoh kruti means krutpratyaye pare. Krutpratyayanta shabde pare. When krutpratyayanta shabda is followed, kartari karmanicha sashti bhavati. The examples are Devadattasya bhojanam. Devadatta is the karta here. Bhujidhatoho karta Devadatta. Bhuj means eat. The eater. Here the eater is Devadatta. Devadattasya bhojanam. Kartari sashti. Karmani sashti example. Odanasya bhojanam. Odanam is the karma for bhojanam. What is eaten here? Odanam. Who has eaten? Karta. What is eaten? Karma. Here karma also is getting sashti. So this kartari and karmani sashti, they have been laid down by the sutra kartru karmanoh kruti. Krutpratyayante shabde parecha. But in a particular circumstance, where in a single sentence kartari sashti bhavitum arhati, karmani cha sashti bhavitum arhati, tatra kartari sashti na prayujyate, karmani eva sashti prayujyate iti restriction krutam. Where in a particular sentence, for karta, kartrupadam and also karmapadam, sashti can be used in a particular sentence, in a single sentence. There, the sashti is restricted only for karma. With kartrupada, we cannot combine with sashti. With what we have to combine? Kartru karanayoho trutiya iti sutrena trutiya bhavati. For example, we will take one sentence. Odanasya bhojanam iti karmani bhavati. Purvam uktam. Devadattasya bhojanam ichapi uktam. Kintu when you combine this odanam and devadatta, odanam is karma, devadatta is karta, when you combine them in a single sentence, odanasya bhojanam devadattasya is not to be done. There, devadatta, on the bird devadatta, sashti cannot be used. The sutra for that is ubhaya praptau karmani iti sutram. Sashti. Ubhaya praptau. Ante kartaricha karmanicha yada sashti prapta tatra karmani eva sashti bhavati kartari sashti na bhavati kartari sashti na bhavati chet tritiya bhavati. अत्र ओदनस्य भोजनं कर्मणि षष्ठी ओदनस्य देवदत्त is karta. So here also devadatta bhojanam in a single sentence we can use it if karma is also not there. When on a karma pada and also kartrupada sashti can be used, in such circumstances sashti can be used only against karma and not against karta. So here devadattena, here odanasya bhojanam devadattena, this is ubhaya praptau karmani sashti. Ubhaya praptau ya sashti karmani ukta tad tena sashtiya samaso na bhavati. That means here odanasya bhojanam you cannot make it a samasa. Only when odana karma pada is used that can be made a samasa. But against karma pada and kartrupada odanasya bhojanam devadattena, atra devadattena odana bhojanam, you cannot combine the samasa. So here karmanicha sashti na samasyate ichuktam ubhaya praptau karmanicha icheva tatra avagantavyam. Another example we will take. Ascharyaha gavam doha agopalakena. Ascharyaha, it's a matter of surprise. Gavam doha agopalakena. Doha means the act of
milking.
Milking. Act of milking. That is extracting milk from the udhas of an animal.
Milching also we can say.
Milching is a better word. So, dohaha, this is a krit prachaya. Duhu dhatoho bhavardhe dohaha. Milching, the act of milching. What is the object here? Gavam dohaha. Go shabdat sashti. Karmani sashti. Kena dukhyate. Who is the person? Karta of dohanam? Agopalakaha. Here in this sentence, why this ascharyam is there? A person who is not a cowherd, he comes forward to milk the cow. So that is a matter of credit. Gopalakasya dohanam acharyayana bhavati. Agopalakena dohanameva acharyaya bhavati. Atra gavam dohaha with karmani sashti they can be made a samasa. Agopalakasya dohaha also can be made a samasa when they are separately used. But here, kartari sashti and karmani sashti, when they appear in a single sentence, karmani eva sashti bhavati. Tadi gavam dohaha agopalakena. So, when that being so, here, karmani cha it sutram kim vadati ubhaya praptau karmani ya sashti vartate sa na samasyate. So, here, gavam dohaha karmaniya sashti prapta, ubhaya praptau, that cannot be combined in a samasa. Another example. Vichitra sutrasya kritihi paninina. Here, kriti, the word kriti is krutprachayanta shabdaha. Kriti means adharing, making. Sutrasya kritihi chukte, sutram is the karma. What did he adhar? He adhared a sutram. So sutra is the karma. Karta paninihi. So here also ubhaya praptau. Sutrasya kritihi paninina ubhaya praptau karmani bhavati chet karmani eva sashti bhavati natu kartari. Ubhaya prapto means kartaricha, karmanicha yadi sashti prapyate, karmani eva sashti bhavati, kartari tutiya bhavati. So, sutrasya kritihi paninina ichuktam kila. Panini is karta, sutra is karma. So here Sashti Samasa cannot be made with Kritihi. Sutra Kritihi cannot be made a Samasa. Now we will go to the next sutra. Trujakabhyam Kartari. Sashti na anuvartate. Trujakabhyam Kartari. Again, Trujakabhyam, these are Krit Prachayas, which we are going to get in the later chapters only. But we can have a preliminary introduction now itself because it's essential here. Truchiti Prachayaha. Aka iti Prachayaha. Aka means generally nvil or nwich. Both can be for both vu, yuvor anakau iti sutrena vu ityasya akadesho bhavati. So Trujakabhyam ichukte truchi plus aka. Aka is the adesha for nul or nuchi. Truchi is the original prachayaha. Truchi means it chakaraha it bhavati tru. Aka totally it appears. So Trujakabhyam kartari ichukte atra kartari sashti kartari sashti kartariya sashti sa sashti truchi prachayantena akaprachayantena na samasyate. Very carefully we have to follow this rule. Kartariya sashti bhavati tad sa sashti truchi prachayantena saha akaprachayantena saha na samasyate. Here truchi prachayaha, it will be always in kartari. Akaprachayopi kartariyo bhavati kadachit. By the sutra, bhave paryaya arhana utpattishu nwich. But this nwich prachaya also aka adesha. Nwil prachaya always in kartari. Example is palakaha, the man who rules. Karakaha, the man who does. So also truchi prachayaha kartareva bhavati. Smarta, the person remembering. Karta, the doer. Data, the giver. But here we are taking akaprachayaha in bhavartha. Bhave kesu kesu sandarbhesu bhavati. Bhave akaprachayaha ichukte paryayardhe arhanardhe उत्पत्ति अर्थे. येषु अर्थेषु यद् नुच्चि प्रत्ययः अकप्रत्ययान्त शब्दः भवति तेन सह षष्ठ्यन्तं पदं न समस्यते. त्रुचि प्रत्ययः ओन्ली इन कर्तरि भवति. सो तेन सह कर्तरि षष्ठी न भवत्येव. बिकॉज त्रुचि प्रत्यय itself is in कर्तरि, तेन सह कर्तरि षष्ठी न भवति. So we will not take that example with truchi. Even though truchi is existing in the sutra, that is only for the next sutra. akapratyayah tadapi कर्तरि भवति, तेन सह अस्माकं example न भवति. भावार्धे यत् अकप्रत्ययः वर्तते भावे पर्याय अर्हण उत्पत्तिषु नूचि इति सूत्रे यद् विहितमस्ति नूचि प्रत्ययः अकप्रत्ययान्त शब्दः तस्य उदाहरणं भवति. उदाहरणार्थं सीङ् धातुः वर्तते, तस्मात् अकप्रत्ययः. अकप्रत्ययः भावार्धे भवति किल. भावार्धे नाम पर्यायार्थे अर्हणार्थे इत्यादिषु. So seeing, after the seeing dhatu सी plus aka, शायिका इति भवति तस्मात् टाप् प्रत्ययः शायिका भवति one example with shayika. Shayika is a word akapratyayantah after seeing dhatuhu in paryaya arhanardhe. Tena saha sashtina samasyate. Bhavatah shayika. Idi udaharanam. Bhavatah shayika ichukte. This is now, this is your turn for sleeping. We can well imagine where this type of sentence comes. Suppose some 5 or 6 persons are there. They lie down, they sleep at a particular place, a new place, where concerns of safety are there. They are concerned with safety in the night time. So they make an arrangement. One person among them will be awakened. He will be guarding the other persons. So every hour or every 2 hours, he makes the other person wake up and then he puts him as guard and he sleeps. So by paryaya, by turns, paryaya means turns. Bhavataha shayika means now it is your turn for the act of sleeping. You have been guarding all the while, now you go to sleep, the other person will guard.
Vice versa also we can use.
Vice versa also.
Or you can watch.
Of course, we have to use another verb for it. Oh. Seeing dhatu is only for sleep. So bhavataha shayika. This is bhavataha is yours. Sashyantam. Shayika iti akapratyayanta shabdaha. Yad vihitam asti paryayardhe tat na samasyate. Bhavataha ashika. Now your turn for staying. As you just now told, this can be used. You sit up and guard us. The rest of them will sleep. Now your turn for staying, for sitting. This also bhavataha saschyanta padam asika iti akapratyayantena shabdena na samasyate. Bhavataha agragamika. When a group goes, agragami, the person who leads them, his position will be more riskier. If any attack comes, he is the first person to be attacked. So when a group of persons go, they appoint one person as agragami, as the leader. So this leadership also is by turns. When the question of turns comes, this akaprachya is used. So agragamika, agragami, the leader, turn of leadership. So now your turn has come for leading the others. So here also bhavataha is saschyanta padam agragamika iti akapratyayantena na samasyate. Why kartari is told here? Kartari sashti na samasyate chuttam. Karmani sashti can make a samasa. For example, itchubhakshika itchubhakshikam me dharayasi iti vakyam. Certain persons, they have entered a competition, spardha. So whoever wins, he deserves an ichukanda to be given to him by others at their expense, so that he can eat it. Ichu means sugar cane. So whoever wins the race, the others owe him an ichubhachika. So ichubhachika is karmani sashti. Ichunam bhachika. Ichunam iti karmani. So here karmani sashti can be. Bhachika is also nuch pracyayantaha. Just like asika and shayika. So it is your turn now, because you have led the race and you have become successful, it is your turn to eat the Ikshu. Ikshu is karma here. So here, Ikshu bhachikam me dharayasi can be made a samasa. Ikshu bhachika can be made a samasa. Next sutra, Kartaricha. Trujakabhyam sashti na iti anuvartante. Here Trujakabhyam Kartari. We have to combine. Kartari yau Trujakau bhavataha. Tuj prachayanta shabdaha, akaprachayanta shabdaha, which remain in Kartari, tabhyam saha sashti na samasyate. Example is apam srashta. Here srashta iti krit prachayanta shabdaha. Truchi prachayanta shabdaha. Trujakabhyam kartari ichuktam kila. Kartari yau trujakau ichuktam kila. Atra srashta iti kartari truch prachayaha. Srashta means srashtr shabdaha. Rikaranta srashtr. This has come with sruji dhatuhu. Yaha srujati saha srashta. Pratipadikam is srashtr. Prathama ekavachane srashta bhavati. Yaha srujati saha srashta. The creator. Srashta iti kartari truch prachayaha. Truch prachayanta shabdaha. This will not combine in a samasa with sachyantam padam. Apam srashta. Apam means of the water. The creator of the water. This cannot be made a samasa. Apsrashta iti samasaha bhavitum narhati. Puram bheta is another example. The destroyer of Purams. In the Purana literature, Shiva, God Shiva was supposed to destroy the Purams of a Rakshasa. So, Purandaraha iti uchyate. That can be applied for a Indra also. Puram bheta. Bheta means bidhatoho truch prachayaha. Bheta. Yaha vidyati saha bheta. Yaha bhinakti saha bheta. Who destroys is called bheta, destroyer. Puram iti saschyantam padam. Here, bheta is kartrupadam. Kartari, puramiti karmani. Karmani sashti. But here, bheta is kartari truch prachayanta shabdaha. Kartari truch prachayanta shabdaha sashthyana samasyate. So, with puramiti saschyanta padena, bheta iti na samasyate. Vajrasya bharta. Bharta, bhru dhatu, who bears. Here Bharta means the Lord. The Lord of Vajrayudham. Bhartri shabdaha. Bhru dhatoho truch prachayanta shabdaha. Kartru, kartrardhe truch prachayanta shabdaha. Vajrasya iti sachyantam padam. Vajrasya iti karmani sashti. So, kartari truch prachayanta shabdaha sashyantene na samasyate. Now, this is truch prachayanta udaharanani. Akaprachayanta udaharanani uchyante. Odanasya bhojakaha. Bhojakaha bhujidhatoho akaprachayanta. That is also in kartari. Bhojakaha means the eater. Yaha bhungte saha bhojakaha. Odanasya iti sashti. With odanasya padam bhojakaha iti na samasyate. Saktunam payakaha. Saktu is a yavagu. That is the what do you call, a preparation for drinking, java.
Java.
What is the English word?
Syrup.
Syrup. Adhunikam. Soup. SOUP, soup. The soup, the drinker of soup. Saktunam payakaha iti padhatoho akaprachayanta shabdaha. Kartari akaprachayah. So kartari akaprachayanta shabdaha sasyantena na samasyate. Saktunam iti sasyantam padam. But earlier, yajakadipischa iti sutrena, yajakadi gane ye akaprachayantaha truchprachayanta shabdaha, we have allowed samasa. Panini has allowed. So in akaprachayanta, truchprachayantas, whatever the words are contained in yajakadi gana, they allow samasa. So yajakadipischa iti purva sutram, that is apavada of this sutram. Here it says kartari truchprachayantaha, kartari akaprachayantaha, sasyantene na samasyante. But the words in yajakadigana, they can be made a samasa. That's why that the sutra has been given previously, and then this is purastad apavadaha ityuktam purvam. Yajakadibhischa iti sutra vivarane etat purastad apavadaha iti kartari cha sashti yat vartate tasya apavadaha ityuktam. So we will go to the next sutra. Nityam krida jivikayoho trujakau iti vartate tat purushaha iti adhikara sutram. Nityam krida jivikayoho. Krida means game, playing. Jivika means akaranta sripache, akaranta jivika shabdaha, srilingaha. Jivika means the means of livelihood, artful means of livelihood. They employ some art, and by showing the pieces of art pieces, by selling them, they get the money. So that is their jivika, livelihood. The means of livelihood is jivika. Krida jivikayoho. Krida is different and jivika is different. Krida visaye, jivika visaye cha, trujakau, truchprachayanta shabdaha, akaprachayanta shabdascha, samasyete, tatpurusha samaso bhavati. Nityam samasyete, nitya samasaha. Because a game's name or a jivika name, you cannot explain by a sentence. There should be a samasa. That is why it is nitya. Nitya samasaha uktaha. Kridayam cha jivikayam cha akaprachayanta shabdaha nityam tena nityam sashti samasyate. We will take some examples. Truchiprachayanta shabdaha krida jivikayoho na bhavati eva. Tadartham only akaprachayanta shabdasya udaharanameva atra svikrutam. Uddalaka pushpa bhanjika iti one game's name. These are the games played in earlier days, in olden days. Uddalaka pushpa bhanjika. Generally we don't take the Vigraha Vakya because this is a game's name. Uddalaka pushpa, the pushpas of Uddalaka Vruksha. A particular tree, its flowers. Bhanjika, akaprachayanta shabdaha. Bhanjika means bhanjakaha ityukte chedakaha. Who plucks it, or he plucks or he destroys it. Bhanjika akaprachayantaha strilinge asti. Bhanjaka iti pumlinge asti. Tasya strilinge tapi krute akarasi ikaratvam bhavati. Bhanjika iti bhavati. Tarhi uddalaka pushpa bhanjika is the name of a game. This is tatpurusha samasa, nitya samasa. Varana pushpa prachayika. This is also the name of a game. Varana Vrukshasya Pushpanam Prachayika. That means collection. That means certain games are played. The game is about collecting some flowers. Within a given time, whoever collects more flowers, he will be the winner. So, Varana Pushpa Prachayika. Prachayika means selection or assembling. This Prachayika Prapurvaka Chi Dhatoho Prachayika iti Akaprachayantaha Srilinge. Krida Shabdaha iti Krutva Atra Srilingaha Kritaha. Krida is Srilinge. Krida. Tari Krida Shabdaha Srilinge Bhavanti. Varana Pushpa Bhanjika Prachayika iti Nitya Samasaha. Prachayika iti Shabdena Satyantam Samasyate. Varana Pushpanam Ichartham. Here, these are the examples in respect of Krida Vishayaha. Now we will take Jivika Vishayaha. Jivika means livelihood. Danta Lekhakaha. Dantanam Lekhakaha. Danta means ivory. Elephant's dantas. Ivory. They are very costly. People use it to write pictures on the dantas. It is very costly. It is a very artful means also. Jivika. They live by writing pictures on dantas and by selling them. So, Dantalekakaha iti one particular art by which he gets the money. He earns money. So, Dantalekakaha iti Dantasya Lekhakaha Sasyantena Samasyate Nityam. Lekhakaha iti Akaprachayanta Shabdaha after Likh Dhatuhu. Likh means to write. Here writing pictures, making pictures on the ivory. Nakhalekhakaha. Nakhalekhakaha. Nakhanam lekhakaha. He carves out pictures on nails, not human nails, on nails of Vyaghra, tiger. They will be very wide. So on that nail, they print some pictures. They sell them and get livelihood. So Nakhalekhakaha is another example. Kridayam cha Jivikayam cha Yat Akaprachayanta Shabdaha Vartate Tasya Samasah Kritaha. Krida Jivikayoho iti Kimartham Muktam Ichukte Akaprachayanta Shabdaha other than Krida Vishayaha, other than Jivika Vishayaha. Previously we have negated the Samasa, we have forbidden the Samasa. So Odanasya Bhojakaha. This is Odanasya Bhojakaha Karmani Sasti. This will not come. Earlier sutra. Odanasya Bhojakaha. Now, next sutra we will take up. Kugati Pradayaha. Nityam. Nityam Krida Jivikayoho iti asmat sutrat Nityam iti anuvartate. Nityam tatpurusho bhavati Kugati Pradayaha. Ku iti shabdaha Gatyardhaka shabdaha Gati sanyakaha Pradayaha. Ku iti avyayam Gatyardhaha api avyayena bhavanti Pradayaha api avyayena bhavanti. So we will take this ku iti shabdaha Gati iti prachayasya nama Gati sanyakaha. Pra iti avyayanam nama Pradayaha. These words they combine with Shabdantarena Samardhena Shabdantarena Kuprachaya avyayam Ku iti avyayam Gati sanyakaha Pradayascha Samardhena Shabdantarena Saha Nityam Samasyante Tatpurushasya Samaso Bhavati. We are taking ku shabda only in avyaya meaning. Why? Because gati pradayah iti sahacharyena gati sanyakaha avyayatvam bhavati tesham pradayah avyayatvam bhavati tarhi tesham sahacharyena ku also will be taken as an avyayam also, because ku has got a dhatu also is there, ku dhatu, ku shabde. That dhatu we are not going to take. Ku iti dravyarthaha api vartate. Ku means bhumi. In that meaning we are not taking ku. Ku is avyayam only is taken. When when we use it avyaya, it means sin, bad, deficient, reproach, etc. For example, Kugramaha, a very little village. Kuchelaha, we have got a dirty. Kuchela means chela means vastra, dirty clothes. Kutarkaha, tarkaha, that is a long way of reasoning. Kutarkaha, nindaniyaha tarkaha. So here in that particular avyayartha we are taking. The example is kupurushaha. Ku iti shabdena, purusha iti shabdantaram samasyate. Kupurushaha, that means a bad person, a sinful person. Gati. In the Prathamadhyaya, in Chaturdha Pada, we have taken up about 15-20 sutras. Gachyarthaka Sanyanam Sutra. Uryadi Chuda Chescha iti arabhya Gachyarthakaha Uktaha. Tena saha api samaso bhavati samardhena shabdantarena. Urari kritam. Urari iti Gachyarthakaha. Uri kritam. Urari karoti. Uri karoti. Urari karoti. Uri karoti means he agrees. Uri kritam, agreeable, agreed thing. Urari kritam. Urari and uri gachyarthakaha. Tena saha krita iti shabdantaram samasyate. Alankritam. Alam also in gachyarthakaha we have been told. Alankritam, embellished icharthaha. Satkritam. Sattiti adare, asattiti anadare, gati sanyakam bhavati chuktam. Satkritam, puraskritya, puraha iti shabdaha gachyadhe patitam. Puraskritya, tirobhuya, tiras also in abhyaya, in gachyardhaka lakshane we have been told. So, tirobhuya, ete gati samasaha. With gachyardhaka sanya shabdaha, they are called Tatpurusha Samasaha, particularly they are called Gati Samasaha. Pradayaha. Pradayaha. Pradi we have been explaining, a number of times we have explained. There are 22 avyayas, Pradayaha. Pra iti arabhya e shabdaha bhavanti te Pradayaha. Pra, para, apa, sam, anu, ava, nir, nis, dur, dus, prati, pari, api, ichadaya. 22 shabdas are there. Praparapa samanvava nirdurabhi vyathisudati niprati pariyapayaha upangiti vimsyatireva sakhe upasargagatau kavibhih kaditaha. It is slokam also we have been told earlier. So these words they combine with shabdantarena tatpurusha samaso bhavati. That is called pradi samasa. In pradi samasas we have got certain vartikas. Today we are not going to take up because for want of time. We will take up these vartikas in the next class. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.